Hello friends, today I'll be making the first video for my channel, Learning with a Bish. So my channel is Learning with a Bish, and I'll be putting a bunch of learning videos in my channel, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to add or subtract integers. So let's start with a simple question. So the two simple questions are 2 plus 3 and 5 minus 2. So these two questions have it seems they just have one side. In this one, it seems this one just has one symbol, which is addition, and it seems in this one it only has one symbol, which is subtraction. But actually there is one more symbol for both of these. That's the plus sign in front, because if it doesn't has any sign in the front in the start of an equation or an expression, that means it has a plus sign. So let's start by answering these questions. The first one, the answer is 2 plus 3 equals 5, because as we all know, that's the answer. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So now let's go to a bit harder one. What if there's minus 5 plus 2? So let's see that in a number line. So here's this, and 0 is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So right here, let's start with minus 5. So here's minus 5. And the other number is plus 2. So let's add 2 to minus 5. So that is 1, 2, minus 3. So the answer to this expression is minus 3. Yes. So the next one, let's do a bit harder one. So what do we do if there's 5 minus and another minus and then 2? So you might think, why is there two equations next to each other? So what happens in here is, let's do it a number line again. So right here, here's 0, and here are the other numbers here, and in the positive there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have to start with 5 right here, but it says when there's 2 minus next to each other, that makes it a plus. So not this. And what's 5 plus 2? That's 6, and then 7. So remember this, when there's 2 minus next to each other equals a plus sign. So the answer to 5 minus 2 is actually 7. Yeah, it's 7. So that were some questions, and let's do some more questions now. The other question is, what are we supposed to do when there is 2 plus signs next to each other? So when there's 2 plus signs next to each other, that makes it just one plus sign. It doesn't make it a minus sign. No, not a minus sign, but it actually makes it just one plus sign. So what's 5 plus 3? That's just 5 plus 3, and which equals to 8. So let's go to our next question. So this is the last question, and this one is, what if there is minus 2 minus 4, which is 2 minus a sign. So let's see what happens in this one. If there's 2 minus signs, what we have to do is, let's start with a number line. There's 0, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4. There's 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So what we do is, so from 0 right here, we have to look at the minus sign, the negative sign, negative place. So there's minus 2. From minus 2, we have to subtract 4. That is 1, 2, and then minus 5, and then minus 6. So that's subtracted 4 from minus 2. So this is the answer for the question minus 2 minus 4. And the answer is, did you say 6? Yes, that's the correct answer. So the answer for this question is minus 6. Okay. So I hope you liked my video. If you liked, don't forget to share, subscribe, and especially like my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.